guys, so today we're going to make Captain Underpants because Lego has never made one before. So first you're going to take this head and then put into this guy's body. Like this. And so then you'll need these pants. And you stick it here. And then you have to take off his head. And put this black piece. And stick it onto his back. Like that. And put his head back on. Now we're going to make the cape. First you need this brick. So you put this brick like that. Now you need to put this one so it could be more like a cape. So you put him like this and stick the cape like this. And so there you have Captain Underpants. Stra-la-la! It's Captain Underpants. So you can make him defeat the Bonnet Booger Boy. Ha ha ha! Stra-la-la! So fun.